Welcome back, Rico Moneybags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so you can invest in the future. Today we're going to be talking about PMPY. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. We got a listing on LBank. We got a lot of things to talk about, and we're going to do some price prediction, technical analysis at the end of the video. We're pushing back towards all-time highs, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the very end, like that you guys do not miss out. But let's start off by like and retweet everything going on. So we got a team delivering, right? We got LBank now listing. We got a lot of big things happening when it comes to this over here. I need the whole community, PMPY, hashtag PMPY down below. Also, I got some links down below, the Moneybags Mansion Telegram. You guys can tap in what we're going to do, AMAs and whatnot like that. But make sure you guys leave some hashtag, some comments down below, because this team continues to deliver and we can see that holding up in the chart. This is a bullish project right here. I've been talking about this one for a while. Like I said, we'll talk about the prices. We spoke about these zones before. We'll talk about exactly where we're at right now, what we could expect. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the very end. But let's start off by getting caught up to date with everything going on, making sure we like and retweet everything. This is that hidden mile. This is what we have to do to make sure that we get to where we want to get. Okay, as promised, we just burned 20K of PMPY. That's what I've been saying a lot when it comes to PMPY. Say what you mean and mean what you say. Delivering time and time again. And you guys know that we've been hearing the team and the community talk about Prodigy Flip. So these things are going to come to fruition because they keep on pushing this mobile app and the things that they have been saying that they're going to do. They continue to deliver, and that's very important. Make sure you guys give them a follow at Prometheum PMPY. Make sure the bell notification is lit. Make sure that you guys are following them, like that you guys will not miss out. But let's go ahead and scroll down, make sure that we're caught up with everything. Make sure to check out the PRODIGY. So we're going to check this video out right now as well. Just 1 second. Let's make sure we get all up to date. So we got to celebrate LBank exchange listing. We will be doing a double burn on Friday. So they did a double burn because that LBank listing, and we can see the prices pumped up. We can see a lot going on, but you don't want to miss out when it's some of the big tier 1 exchanges. You guys do not want to miss out on that, and miss out on a project that's $1 billion project all day. So make sure you guys don't miss out. We'll talk about the market cap right now. Now that we're up to date, let's go ahead and get to this video. This is something else that the team is going to deliver. So make sure to check out PRODIGY. Okay, so make sure you guys are checking this out. We'll be available around or after Prodigy Flip. Okay, so that's something that we're going to keep an eye on right here. Big shout out to Pablo Crow holding it down for the PMPY community. Make sure you guys like and retweet everything going on with Pablo Crow. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to his YouTube channel. I mean, this is how you could have found PMPY early. All right, so we got this right here. Let's check this out. Let's see what we got. Not sure if you guys can pick up the sound or not, so I'm going to mute the sound. We got Prodigy Flip, so let's check this out. This is the card that's going to be coming out. This is coming from a team that has been delivering back to back when it comes to the exchanges, when it comes to the technology, when it comes to leveling up the website. So these are all things that they have been saying that they're going to do and continuously have done. So to me, this is bullish, and we're holding a market cap that is not no joke, right? We're holding we're holding strong, and we're pushing towards these all-time highs. So this is the PRODIGY. This is the card which will come out. Guarantee that these things are going to come to fruition. So are you going to wait for that, right? Now, I know we do, technical analysis a lot, but this is for you guys to practice how to load up in these areas, how to practice to load up on supports and not buy the highs and sell the lows. But nonetheless, we've seen this one's growing from, 1,000 holders when we first started making videos. I think it was just under that, like 900 and something, but now sitting at 1,300 holders and holding the price levels of that all-time high. I mean, this is one of the best looking charts on DeFi right now. You guys cannot even lie. There's not many charts that look like this on the DeFi space. And right now we're doing the same repetition. Remember, prior resistance becoming future support. We got prior resistance when we're trying to break above this zone right here, that 1-3, and it became a support now. So now that we're holding that level is where people can start to say, of course, not financial advice, but where you can start to take your positions. As you can see, the team continues to deliver. You don't want to miss out on this one when we're sitting at $100 million market cap, when we're cruising towards $500 million market cap, when we're got the FOMO activated and possibly that AI blockchain is out and we're pushing that $1 billion market cap. So, these are a good way to keep track of the data, keep track of the history of PMPY. But nonetheless, this is a project that we will see $100 million market cap. It will happen. This is a project that you guys want to be paying attention to. And yeah, the Bitcoin ETF went live and a lot of things didn't go as expected. but it let us know the potential of what could happen, right? And I think that these things are going to happen regardless. We have to be smart investors and start to position ourselves before these markets take off. You know, look at the projects before they're at that $100 million market cap. If you already missed out on the sheaves, if you already missed out maybe on tokens that actually have utility, look at PMPY, you know, and get positioned, because we're going to have this influx of retail investors regardless, because all the exposure to the Bitcoin ETFs going live, those are people that eventually will spill over to the DeFi space and find themselves looking at something like Prometheum Prodigy. And you guys can help me out by liking, subscribing, leaving comments down below, making the YouTube algorithm work for us and our PMP bags to help push these videos out to new potential investors. And you guys can also join the Money Bags Mansion down below, where there's call signals and whatnot like that. It's free to join. There's no charges in there, just like-minded individuals making the right calls. So right now we're going to be pushing past this, going back to that all-time high, looking at that 1.7. Like I talked about before, we're going to be looking at psychological barriers, right? That 2 cents, 2.5, 3 cents. But we will see PMPY chasing a 5 cents, chasing a 10 cents. These are things that can honestly and realistically happen with the type of exposure, with the type of influencers that are backing this, with the team that continues to deliver, and of course, last but not least, with a community that really believes in this and are diamond handing this. Because look at this chart. There's not many charts that look like this on DeFi. This is a great looking chart, holding strong, and gonna make some people pay when we go test all-time highs again. So when we go up here and we go test these all-time highs right underneath the 2 cents mark, it's gonna look like something like this, going up, back down, and rocking back up like we always show on the channel. Keep that in mind. These things repeat themselves time and time again. Push this down just a bit. We could see in the past, before we got to the zone, that, you know, we could have hit that support and bounced back up. That unfortunately didn't happen. We came to the lower level. We found support again. We broke back above, and now we're going to get this try. We're going to get to do this again and rock right back up to that 1.7. Are you loaded up right now? Are you waiting for, you know, next tier 1 exchange? What are you waiting for when it comes to PMPY? You don't want to wait too long. Not many charts look like this in the DeFi space. Not many teams are delivering back to back, and with, you know, talks about blockchain, mobile apps, and, you know, even that Visa card that we're seeing, the PRODIGY. So we got a lot of big things coming in the future, and a project holding prices at $11.1 million market cap, with a lot of those utilities not out yet. So to me, this gives you that opportunity to load up before these things come out. We can see that every time, you know, that LBank pushes the prices, the next exchange is going to do the next thing. The next utility is going to do the same thing. So you don't want to wait until all these utilities are used up. You want to kind of position yourself now. So like, subscribe, share this video, tap in with me on the Money Bags Mansion down below. Follow me at Rico Moneybags. Share this video. Make the YouTube algorithm work for your bag. And let's go ahead and get past this 1.7. We're going to keep it within this range, going back towards that 2 cents. I do believe that we're in the making to go ahead and break that. And FOMO will kick in anytime. Anytime FOMO will kick in for PMPY. This is an amazing community that will keep pushing. I'm going to keep making videos. We're going to keep going hard. And this team is going to continue to deliver. And you guys can keep coming back and experiencing the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.